uzi gupostinga ifoto umuntu akavuga ngo iki gihora kiyemeye niyemera se uzanyemera reka niyemere ibyawe bizaza bifollowing oui oh my god oui
And here is Mester of Germany, his first attempt in the javelin in the F41 category. And he's hurled that one well beyond 30 metres, nearer to 40 metres.
Is where we are today, and why we're where we are today is because of 16 years of mismanagement of resources. That's the problem. That's why that's why we're
I woke up this morning filled with rage. My 3-year-old decided that she didn't want to wake me up this morning and went up and got herself a yogurt out of the refrigerator. Right now you're probably thinking to yourself, but Miranda, she's displaying self-sufficiency and wants to be independent. What's the problem with that? I'll tell you what the fucking problem is. She couldn't open it, and her only solution was to act like a fucking monkey and start banging it against the wall until yogurt erupted all over the fucking place. Then she turned that messy situation into an artistic opportunity, and that's when I walked in. By this point, I was prairie dogging my early morning poop, and it's no surprise that when I walked in, I shit my pants when I saw a Yoplait Van Gogh displayed all over my fucking wall. A fresh pair of pants, a whole roll of paper towels, and a huge chunk of my sanity later, I go to my room to decompress. A few minutes go by and I'm feeling better. I'm feeling good. So I walk into the living room so I can give her a hug, and the little bitch had another fucking yogurt. What the fuck?
Questo. Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
Yesu hareka ibindangaza nkifatira Yesu tukabana karamata iyo mbimenya chagiye nataye nari gufata Yesu ntareka ibinda ngasa nkifatira Yesu tukabana karamata chagiye nataye ntazi uwo mugabo utanga amahoro.
Happy Easter, Grandpa!
mukomereza ubana umunyanga mukomereza muri mu nzira satana bashakamo abankunda namwe muri mu nzira Imana ibashakamo.
अबे बाहर निकल
But immediately I just eat. I'll just realize that it is hunger that is doing me.
Jesus! Rich boys and cup of tea, oh, funny people.
I beg, if you hear anything about me, continue. Please keep it. Add yours, edit it, promote it. I don't have time to explain myself to fools.
Jesus!
Zapatero. Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted del gobierno canario? ¿Y de los ayuntamientos de la isla?
What were you thinking? It is meat. You are going to hell. Hell, straight.
Salut, mano! Bafutaya.
Nturasindara zankwereke ongera usome wo kugihitagira
Kwashaka kabaye.